In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop files from going to OneDrive. If your desktop, documents, or pictures keep syncing to the cloud and you'd rather keep them stored only on your PC, this walkthrough is for you. We'll use OneDrive's built-in settings to turn off its automatic folder backup so new files stay local going forward. Start at the bottom right corner of your screen near the clock. Click the OneDrive cloud icon. It may be a white or blue cloud, and if you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons, and you should find it there. When the OneDrive panel opens, click the gear icon to open settings. This is where all of the sync and backup controls live, and it's the safest way to make changes without moving files around manually. Inside settings, go to the section labeled sync and backup. This page manages what your computer sends to OneDrive automatically. Next, click manage backup. You'll see switches for the three main Windows folders: desktop, documents, and pictures. These are the locations that often surprise people by backing up to the cloud because so many apps save there by default. Turn off desktop, turn off documents, and turn off pictures. As you toggle them off, OneDrive will prepare to stop capturing new files from those folders. You're not deleting anything here, you're just telling Windows to stop sending new changes to the cloud. To finalize, click Stop Backup. Confirm any prompt you see. After this, OneDrive won't automatically save new files from those folders to your online storage. A few things to keep in mind. Existing files that are already in OneDrive will remain there until you decide otherwise. Stopping backup doesn't remove them. Going forward, new items you add to your desktop, documents, or pictures will live locally on this device. That's great for privacy and for working offline, but remember that local files won't be available on your other devices unless you copy or back them up another way. If the icon locations or wording look slightly different on your screen, don't worry. OneDrive updates its interface from time to time, but the path is the same. Open the cloud icon, go to Settings, choose Sync and Backup, then Manage Backup, turn off Desktop, Documents, and Pictures, and confirm with Stop Backup. That's it. You've stopped automatic saving to OneDrive, giving you full control over where your files live and how they sync. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you take charge of your storage.